Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how to install and watch Funimation on both FireStick and Kodi. If you're an anime fan like me, having Funimation on your streaming setup is a must. So, let's get started. Step 1. Installing Funimation on FireStick. Firstly, let's install Funimation on your FireStick. Here's how you can do it. Go to the home screen, ensure your FireStick is connected to the internet, and navigate to the home screen. Find the search icon. Using your FireStick remote, click on the search icon located in the top left corner. Type Funimation. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Funimation and select it from the suggestions. Select Funimation app. Once you find the Funimation app, click on it to go to the app page. Download and install. Click on the download or get button to download and install the Funimation app on your FireStick. Launch Funimation. After installation, click on Open to launch the app. Now you've successfully installed Funimation on your FireStick. Next, let's explore how to set it up on Kodi. Step 2. Installing Funimation on Kodi. If you prefer using Kodi for your streaming needs, here's how you can integrate Funimation. Open Kodi. Launch Kodi on your FireStick. Navigate to Settings. Go to the Settings icon, usually located on the top left or bottom right corner. Select File Manager. In the Settings menu, find and select File Manager. Add Source. Click on Add Source and then select None. Enter repository URL. Enter the URL for the Funimation repository, hexample.com/repository.funimation. Name the source, give the source a name, like Funimation Repo, and click OK. Install from repository. Go back to the Kodi home screen, select Add-ons, then click on the package icon top left corner, and choose Install from repository. Select Funimation add-on, find and select the Funimation add-on from the repository. Install add-on, click on Install to install the Funimation add-on. Access Funimation once installed, go back to the Kodi home screen, navigate to add-ons, then video add-ons, and select Funimation to launch it. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've learned how to install and watch Funimation on both FireStick and Kodi. Now, you can enjoy your favorite anime shows and movies seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time